Hey, what's up YouTube? First No Limit here, back with another video. And today I wanted to give you a Robinhood stock portfolio update. Right now I'm investing $4,162, which I'm very excited about. We'll talk about some of the stocks I'm investing in, some of my wins, and some of my losses. So this week, you can see I'm down 15 bucks. In the past month, I'm down $59. In the past 3 months, I'm down $69. But in the past year, I've made $60. And all time, I made $56. So these are just some of the stocks I'm investing in. We'll go into each one of them, show my position, and talk about my areas for growth. The first stock I wanted to talk about is New York Mortgage Trust. Right now, I'm investing $1,708 in the company, and I own 280 shares. This company has kind of gone up and down over the past few months. I'm up 4 cents in the past week. I'm down 9 cents in the past month. I'm down 17 cents in the last 3 months. And I'm down $1.52 in the past 5 years. I'm mostly in this company for the dividends. So with my 280 shares, I will get paid $56 in my next quarterly dividend, which is a nice return. The next company I wanted to talk about is Verizon Wireless. You know this company. It's one of the largest mobile carriers in the United States. I have one share of this worth $59.25. It's up a couple bucks in the past week, up $1 in the last month, up $10 in the last year, and up $10 in the past 5 years. So I'm looking to stay in this company for the long term and hopefully reap some of the dividends. I believe their dividend is 60 cents per share. I'm just trying to diversify myself a little bit with this company instead of investing in all REITs. You can see here it's beat its earnings per share, which is very nice. And it's a lowly volatile company. The next company I want to talk about is Prospect Capital. This company deals with debt allocation. Right now I own 51 shares, I believe, of this company. This company pays monthly, and it's been on the up and up for the past few months. But it's been down 31% in the last 5 years. And I'm in this company mostly for the dividends also. I own 57 shares. This company pays out an 11% dividend, so it pays out 6 cents per share. So I'll be getting about $3.42 every month as long as I own this company. And it has low volatility. And I just bought some more shares today. So I'm looking to increase my position to increase my monthly dividends in the next couple months. The next company I want to talk about is St. Rich Permian Trust. This company has taken some losses for me for the past couple months, which I'm very sad about. This company used to be worth $2.50. Now it's worth $2.05. I own 238 shares of it. You can see my total return is I'm down $73. The only good thing is this company pays out a 25.5% dividend yield. So I'll be getting a $16 dividend in a couple days on Friday. And it pays quarterly dividends. If this company goes on the up and up, I'll be looking to sell this company in the future. Definitely to cut my losses. And I'll definitely take less of a risk. The next company I want to talk about is Lexington Realty Trust. This is another REIT. Right now it's worth $9.07. Because this company experienced a dividend cut, I haven't really upped my shares in this company. It went from 17.75 cents down to 10.25 cents. So I haven't really changed my position. This is another REIT, so I'm just looking to maintain that position and keep reaping those nice dividends. It has a nice 8.65% dividend yield. But this company, I've made money through the appreciation. My average cost was $8.71, and right now it's trading for $9.07. So I made 36 cents per share, which is a pretty nice appreciation. And the last time I bought was on April 26th, so it's been a little while. And it's a lowly volatile company, which is very, very nice. I like that. Oops, sorry about that. The next company I want to talk about is another Realty or another Reit. It's Apple Hospitality Reit. This company is a little bit volatile over the last week. It's been down 44 cents in the past week, down 8 cents in the past month, down 46 cents in the past 3 months, down $1.79 in the past year. Right now I own 6 shares. This is another monthly stock. So off my 6 shares, I would be getting paid 60 cents per month. It has a nice 8.42% dividend yield. It's beat its earnings per share, and it's a lowly volatile company. So I'll be getting paid, I got paid 40 cents last week for that. So since I bought 2 more shares, I'll be getting an additional 20 more cents. The next company I've upped my position in is AT&T. This is another large telecommunications company, the second largest in the United States. It has a really, really nice dividend yield. It's been up 87 cents in the last week. In the past month, it's up 21 cents. In the past 3 months, it's up $1.37. It's down 40 cents in the past year, and it's down $3.76 in the past 5 years. The good thing about this company is it's been increasing its dividends year by year for the past 30 years, and it yields 7%, which is pretty nice for a large telecommunications company. And I have upped my shares. I'm also looking to up my shares more in the future. This company has a high buy rating, and it's been doing really well over the past year. And it has low volatility. And I just got $1.53 at the beginning of this month for owning this stock. The next company I want to talk about is Coca-Cola. This is a large beverage company. This has been doing really well for the past couple months. It's up $7 in the past year, up $9 in the past 5 years. It has a small dividend yield of 3%, but this company has been doing great, and I'm looking to keep it and possibly up my shares a little bit. It has very low volatility, and it's been around for over 100 years. And it's been increasing its dividend yield for the past few years also. It's up to 40 cents. The next stock I own is also doing really well. It's Main Street Capital. It's another REIT, and it also pays monthly. It pays 20 cents per share monthly. I only own 1 share right now. I said I've been looking to up my shares in this company. I get paid this Friday, so I'll be definitely purchasing at least 1 more share of this company. It's up $2.76 in the past month. It is up $2.57 in the past 3 months, up $13 in the past 5 years, and up $3 in the past year. So this company has appreciated $2.16 since I've had it. Pays out a 6.83 dividend yield, and it's beat its earnings per share in the past few quarters. And it's also lowly volatile, so it's not up and down, up and down. So this is one of the best performing REITs that I've had. The only reason why I don't buy more of it is because of the price. I can get a lot more shares of the smaller companies like New York Mortgage Trust. So I've just been kind of leveraging my money there just to try to make some quick money off of my REITs. But in the future, I'm looking to diversify myself more with companies with larger market caps. This is a free stock that I received through the Robinhood app from inviting people. It's down $1.45 in the past year, but it's up $2.48 in the past 5 years. I'm not really looking to buy more shares in this company. I'm just keeping it for tax purposes once again. I believe people don't really like this company as much because more people are moving towards streaming services like Apple Music and Spotify, and they're not really using the radio as much as they used to use it. So I believe this company will phase out in the future. So these are some of the companies that are on my watch list. I have Apple, just taking a hit in the past month. You can see the ticker line kind of going down. I have Shopify, some other companies, AbbVie, which is a pharmaceutical company, Consolidated Edison, which deals with like oil and gas, Cardinal Health. I'm looking to diversify myself more to kind of leverage my wins and my losses. I have lost a little bit on some of my stocks, as you can see. This is Chevron. There's Target on here, which has been doing really well. Johnson & Johnson, which is a nice blue chip company. Pepsi, which has also been increasing its dividend yields over the past couple years. Disney, Starbucks, Procter & Gamble. These are huge, large, stable companies that provide a lot of our products. And these are some of the Vanguard's ETFs. Microsoft. We have Walmart on here. And General Electric. Those are some of the companies that I'll be looking to up my shares in the future. Hopefully once I start investing more money, pay down my student loans, I'll be able to purchase some of these companies, like I said, and diversify myself more and make some more money. What stocks are you guys investing in? You can let me know down in the comment section. Do you have any suggestions for me? I'm always looking to up my game and learn from my mistakes. This has been my Robinhood stock portfolio update. Right now I'm investing over $4,000 in the stock market, and I'm very excited to see what the future holds. If you would like to receive some free stocks from Robinhood at no risk to you, there'll be a link in the description. Please like and comment, subscribe to my channel. It'll help me grow, and I'll be so very thankful. Thank you for taking your time out of your day to watch my video, and have a great day.